This easy garlic buttered shrimp is not only delicious, but it's also quick and easy to make. Today, I'm going to show you how it's done, coming up next. Hello guys, kamusta kayo? This is Mike and welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be cooking garlic buttered shrimp. At ito na ang ating mga ingredients. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating shrimp. This is the one I'm using today. It's already cooked. We need 1/4 cup butter, minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1/4 cup ginger ale, and salt and pepper to taste. So ngayon guys, simulan na natin lutuin ang ating garlic buttered shrimp. First, we need to turn on our stove into medium-high heat and melt our butter into the pan. And guys, halu-haluin lang natin hanggang ma-melt ang ating butter. After melting our butter, we're gonna put on our garlic. Saute lang natin siya ng konti hanggang sa lumabas yung aroma ng garlic natin. After natin masaute ang garlic, ilagay na natin ang ating cooked shrimp. Fresh shrimp is the best option for this dish, but since meron naman ako nito available right now, kaya ito muna ang aking gagamitin. Then we're gonna add in our ginger ale. We can also use any kind of clear sodas. At pwede rin po ang pineapple juice. Let's simmer it for a bit since luto na yung ating shrimp. Then we're gonna add in our oyster sauce together with our sweet chili sauce. Then haluin lang natin. Then we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Haluin na natin ng konti. Then voila, our easy and quick garlic buttered shrimp is done. O diba guys, napakadali lang lutuin ang ating dish for today. So guys, after natin maluto ang ating dish, iserve na natin kasama ang mainit na kanin. So guys, our quick and easy garlic buttered shrimp. Hope you enjoyed our video, and for your comments and suggestions, please feel free to drop them at the comment section box below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon notification for more videos like this. Thank you and see you on my next video. Bye!